replace your 9 to 5 income by selling physical products online. Today, we're going to be talking about how many units of a product do you need to sell per day to replace your 9 to 5 income. And we're going to start with 50, 75,000, and 100,000. So let's go. So say you have a product for 50 bucks. Okay, you're selling it for $50 on your website. It costs you $15 cost of goods, including shipping costs. That leaves you with $35. Say that it costs you $15 in ad spend to acquire the customer per unit. That leaves you with $20 profit per unit. And I'm not taking out taxes here, okay, just for easy sake. Taking your income per month, doing 50K is $4,166. If we divide that by the amount of profit that we make per product, that's gonna tell us how many units per month we need to sell to make that income. So to replace $50,000 per year, you need to sell 7 units per day. Okay, for 75,000, we have to sell 11 units per day to replace that income. For 100,000, we need to sell 14 units per day to replace that income. Guys, these amount of units are this much. Once you have the right strategies and systems in place, it's super simple and plug and play to acquire. So stop wasting time if you really want to replace your 9 to 5 income. And you could do this math across any income. So let's go, baby!